Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. We'll teach people, and you can always check the comment section. You see a lot of testimonies, so that shows people are learning here every day. Right? So God bless you. Thank you for joining again. Yeah, so today I want to show you a very nice way to approach your 736 again. This time around in the popular key of F sharp. Okay, so the 736 goes like this. For you are great, you do miracle so good. There is no one else like you. Okay, so let me start showing you that very fast. So I hope you heard that. So it goes for you you do one, then you do. So instead of doing 7 3 6, instead of doing that, so we do for you great. So we do you do me. We do flat 5, then flat 6. I'm calling the roots then to 6. So great. So we do that in place of 7 3 6. So let me show you the chord I'm doing. So I'm playing a diaton in the key of F sharp. That's C and E. On this quarter chord, harmony, that's your 3 6 and 2. That's a B flat, E flat, and A flat. So right, then I'll also show you something. I'm coming. Let me call the chord first. So for people who are writing, you can write that down. Right, the second chord is the one that's taking us to 6 is a D and E, D and F sharp, right? With okay, this is also a sus chord, sus 4, right? Yeah, that's okay, F sus 4 chord, right? Yeah. So that's C, F, B flat. Okay, then to 6. So your 6, for your 6 on my left, I have a 6 3 1. All right, I'm playing 5 chord on 6. Right, so it goes for you are great, you do miracles so great. Let me call the 2 chord for. Right, so you have 2 on your left. 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. That's even speaking is talking. The chord is talking. Right, so on your left, on your right hand, you have your flat 5. You can slow your 6 to 7, and then your 9. So then the regular 5. I should not call this again because you people have been following me a lot. You already know this. Even when I play it, you know this. But I'll call it for sake of people who are just joining the channel, who have not been learning a lot from us. All right, so we have a 5 and flattened 7 on the left. On the right, we have a 4 6. We have a flat 7, and then we have a 9. Then we'll go to 1. So we have a 1 and flattened 7th on the left. Then we have a 3 6, 3 6 and 9 on our right hand. Then to our 4. So for you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Right, our 4. But there's something I said I wanted to show you. So when I was in my flat 5, flat 6 to 6, I did Papa. So great. So we have a so I'm going from my flat 6 to 6 to the flattened 7th, minor 7. So Papa. Then you can do Papa. So like the 3 notes before the third distance. So it does a Papa. So we have Papa. So great. There is no one else like you. There is no flattened 7. Like you. So God bless you. Make sure you invite your friends to this channel to subscribe also and to learn from us. God bless you. Bye.